It's your boy, Young Excel, aka Lil Gas Can, aka Young X. He's back again. Shout out to Lil Broom, shout out to Young Ski. It's a true story about how I got my Nobel Prize for my spreadsheets. Haters still came. Young Excel, don't excel, take no L. Want a Nobel Prize, Matt on the side hip. She said get them excited for this lesson. Metaphor expression with no second guessing. I stood up, hey listen, this on X, so pay attention. I'll be writing asteroids from fiction. The fact is the mission. I act with my spreadsheet that acts, cutting down trees of mathematical mathematical schemes with real, actual, factual. I might call that fantastical acts of applicable application of theory. Regardless situation, nothing there is new nor scary. Young Excel on a frenzy with some spreadsheets, ayy. Round of applause, make them stop. I say I know some of you got the Glocks always out from my spreadsheets. I watch every move that you make non-stop. You done plot cause you hate what my sheets and my stock. Plus I gang on your block. Got some bread from this project, some pigeons that done flop. But trust I got that Mac 10 and a nasty backhand. Don't make extra the clip like you fellas acting. Pause, silence, people think Young X wildin', a couple seconds, swerve at the back, time in, stand in with the gap, reckon they can catch, Young Excel lacking, brief pause, clips clap, then attack, and my head drops, hand drops to the Mac 10, I'm writing this now so I guess that you know what happened.